Hi everyone. This video is about writing an expository essay, and in this video I am going to use the stoplight method to do so. So let's get started. Here is an outline for an expository essay using the spotlight method. So the spotlight method is utilizing the different colors, and the different colors like green, yellow, and red has a specific meaning. So the green is the topic sentence. The yellow is to give your example. You would use like a transition and give your example. The red is being a little bit more detailed, explaining your specific example. And then the last green is to remind your reader of your topic. So you are simply closing it out. So in this particular video, we're only going to look at the introduction. So my prompt is listed here that says, write a 4-paragraph essay explaining what factors can influence a person's identity. So that is my topic. What factors can influence a person's identity? Now, the description of the spotlight that I explained above, that goes a bit better with writing the bodied paragraphs. So I am going to show you what you should write for the introduction for the green, yellow, red, green. So the first part is you want to start off vague in your essay. So maybe start off and ask a question regarding the topic. So for example, the topic is what factors can influence a person's identity. So maybe I can say, what is identity? Okay, and so the yellow, we want to start broad, and then we want to eventually get more specific. So maybe for the yellow, we can answer the question that we just asked for the green. So we can answer the question, and we could say, identity is what makes you who you are. Okay, so we identified, we asked the question, what is identity? Then we identified what identity means, and now we want to get even more specific, using our topic. So remember, our topic says what factors can influence a person's identity. So now maybe we want to make a general statement about factors. Okay, so here, just a rule of thumb, we're going to use the red to create a sentence that will lead to our thesis statement, because our thesis is the most specific sentence that we'll have in our introduction. So maybe I could say, just there are many factors that can influence a person's identity. And then we'll be specific with our thesis statement. So, and that is the last screen. So, for our thesis statement, we want to include our topic and we want to include 2 reasons. So I could say, I can start off and say, factors that can influence a person's identity are, and now I want to pick two things. So one could be for me, family. Family and your talents or skills. So this is how you would create an introduction. Again, you want to start off broad, maybe ask a question about the topic. The yellow, you want to answer that question. The red, you want to create a transition sentence that leads to your thesis statement. And then your thesis is what becomes very specific of what you're going to talk about in the rest of your essay. Thank you.